This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today we are talking about starting a landscaping and garden design company in the UAE. The country's focus on green spaces, sustainability, and high-quality urban planning makes landscaping one of the most in-demand sectors in the country. Under this license, you can offer landscape design and consultancy for residential, commercial, and public gardens, hard landscaping works including pavement, patios, pergolas, decks, and outdoor structures, soft landscaping works such as planting, turfing, irrigation systems, and garden maintenance services including pruning, fertilization, pest control, and seasonal upkeep. Irrigation design and installation, including smart watering systems, swimming pool and water feature design for ponds, fountains, and outdoor pools. Vertical gardens and indoor landscaping like green walls and corporate greenery, landscape lighting and automation systems for outdoor ambience and functionality. Now, let's talk about where to set up. If your goal is to work directly with clients in the UAE, such as property developers, villa owners, and government projects, or if you plan to carry out on-site landscaping, irrigation, or maintenance work, then Mainland is your best choice. Dubai TET offers activities like landscaping works, garden design and maintenance, and irrigation network contracting. These activities are often overseen by the local municipality and environmental department. If you want to focus on design-only services, online garden design platforms, or international clients, then a free zone setup is more affordable. Free zones like Dubai Design District, Trakhees, and SRTIP are popular options. You can still work with Mainland clients. If you want to do physical on-site work, you will need to partner with a licensed Mainland contractor. Because this is a regulated sector, some activities require special approvals. You may need local municipality approval for landscaping and irrigation work, and approval from the Environment and Public Parks Department for green areas in community or public spaces. You may also need compliance from Trakhees or EHS for environmental and safety standards. DEWA or ADDC approval may be needed for irrigation systems connections. For certain type of detailed design work, authorities might also ask for proof of your professional qualification. Now, opening a business bank account is straightforward, but landscaping companies are often considered medium risk because of project-based payments. Banks will ask you for your trade license, your contracts or MOUs, project proposals or design portfolios, your office or warehouse lease, and any environmental or safety certificates. Now here's a game plan. Choose your jurisdiction, select your business activity, apply for your trade license, get municipality or environmental approvals, process your investor or partner visa, lease your office, workshop, or storage space, open your business bank account, register for corporate tax and VAT, hire qualified engineers, designers, and garden staff. And that's it. Your landscaping and garden design company is ready to launch. If this sounds like the right business for you, we're here to help. We've helped over 25,000 entrepreneurs start their businesses in the UAE. Fill out the form in the description and let's get started.